The atom does not think, feel, or choose, yet how it holds together reveals the conditions under which anything can exist. Before life experiences meaning, matter already rehearses its constraints. Sacred science does not assign intention to atoms. It recognizes that the same organizing patterns reappear wherever existence stabilizes into form. And so, here are 8 ways atomic structure mirrors the architecture of life. 1. Identity emerges from inner configuration. An atom is defined by the number of protons in its nucleus. Identity arises from internal structure before surface expression. 2. Stability requires uncharged mediation. Neutrons bind nucleons through the strong nuclear force without charge. Systems endure when tension is absorbed without taking sides. 3. Existence unfolds through probability. Electrons occupy regions of likelihood rather than fixed paths. Possibility precedes certainty at fundamental levels of reality. 4. Interaction follows force, not preference. Attraction and repulsion arise from electromagnetic laws. Relationship forms through constraint and alignment rather than desire. 5. Connection creates new identity. Atomic bonds form molecules with properties absent in isolation. Union produces realities that did not exist alone. 6. Readiness determines connection. Only valence electrons allow bonding to occur. Interaction depends on structural availability, not inherent worth. 7. Order emerges without central control. Quantum behavior follows lawful uncertainty rather than prediction. Coherence can arise without command or hierarchy. 8. All visible form arises through repetition. Every material structure follows the same atomic rules. Complexity assembles through faithful recurrence. And so we realize, existence stabilizes through structure before meaning. Endurance requires containment of opposing forces. Connection transforms identity. Coherence arises through law. So we ask ourselves, what internal structures define how my life organizes? Where does stability arise from mediation rather than force? What possibilities exist before outcomes appear? How does readiness shape the connections I form? Nothing exists without constraint. Nothing grows without reconfiguration. Nothing becomes without pressure, held long enough to transform. And you are the sacred intelligence that recognizes the same architecture repeating across all life.